we're in business. We're still in focus. Probably. I have no idea. Hello from the back of a very damp garage. Got some damp ingress stuff going on, but let's not worry about that right now. Just the other day, I met a man in the car park and he said, do I want some wood? I said, what kind of wood have you got? And he said, hardwood. So I said, yeah, what you got? And he had oak, cherry, walnut, bit of ash. So I took the lot, which was nice. And didn't ask for payment or anything. Not in money, anyway. So what did I get? Whoa. Up there, I've got some cherry and some ash and some oak. Whoop. And down here, there in amongst all the other stuff, oak and quite a lot of pine and some bits of old pine furniture. Down here, there are some shorter offcuts of oak and walnut, a very large quantity of dowel, from 1 inch, ½ inch, ½ inch, and that's all hardwood. That's mine. And a bit of broom handle for good measure. Bit of blockboard. What else? And in here, I've got some drawer slides, some more dowel, locking casters, various grits of sanding paper. There's a big piece of brass in here, an LED light. Whoa. More or less, I'd say that's probably about half full tub of Brywax. Let me see if this works. And contact. Nice. And it's magnetic. Double nice. And also amongst all the other stuff is this tray of old tools. Let's see what we've got in here. We've got a oilstone, a faithful marking gauge, and brass inlays as well. Quite nice. Some hammers, Stanley, a record and other rasp with a relatively new handle on it. A couple of come on, brain, engage, spoke shaves. Flat bottom, round bottom, little level, very old draw knife. These handles have definitely seen better days, but you know, that could be restored. It'd be quite nice. 1, 2, 3 blocks, sharpening guide, one of these, and one of them. One of these Zubri Firkums, 4 of these corner blocks, and an old number 4. Oh, this isn't that old, I don't think. It's in pretty good nick. It'll clean up all right. That's not loose. That's not loose. The Japanning's still very good. Yeah, this is a later style one, but still, I'm sure it's perfectly serviceable. So what I will do with this, I will put this number 4 with the other one, which I'm waiting to do something with. See also the number 6 that I got from a car boot sale about 5 years ago. Still haven't touched it. But the real reason I'm interested in this tray is because you may or may not know, when I built my Dutch tool chest, my original design was to have a tray in the top for small tools that'll slide back and forth, and you can take out if you need to. And I've never made it because I'm lazy. And then this came into my life, and I thought, that's probably just about perfect. If I just lop a bit off and then take the end and then stick it in, there's your tray. See if that'll work. That totally works. You can move it backwards and forwards. Still be able to get things from down there and things from down there. Still be able to get to the lock to open the front fall. It just needs to be the right length. 69, and that's a perfect fit. Let's go 68.5 for a bit of wiggle room. Yeah, 68.5. This divider is off centre, so if we take off this end, then that'll be more towards the middle. 68.5. 68.5. Square. the old end was inset. But this end isn't. So I'm just going to shorten this by an equivalent amount. Nice. And let's put you in there like that. There it is, all finished and already full of crap. Well, thank you, Matt. Matt Makes Mess on Instagram. Go and give him a follow.